Have you ever felt like everyone else gets things faster than you? They understand quicker. They act quicker. They succeed quicker. And you? You're still figuring things out. Here's the truth. The problem isn't you. It's that your brain works differently. Deeper, smarter, subtle. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll see these 6 habits that show you might have a high IQ, and why that's actually a superpower. Habit 1. You think before you speak. You pause in conversations. Not because you're blank, but because you filter. Most people react. You reflect. It's like chess. Some move the first piece they see. Others scan the board. That quiet moment people mistake for awkward? It's intelligence in action. And it leads to something people often misunderstand. Habit 2. You doubt yourself. You replay your words. Second-guess your choices. Question your own decisions. It feels like weakness. But here's the twist. People who know little feel certain. People who understand deeply feel uncertain. You see layers where others see surface. You notice complexity others ignore. Depth creates humility. Humility builds intelligence. And it comes with a hidden benefit. Habit 3. You get bored easily. Repetitive tasks drain you. Small talk tires you. Routine feels suffocating. It's not laziness. Your brain refuses shallow stimulation. It craves challenge, novelty, complexity. Imagine giving a race car engine grocery fuel. It just won't run right. When your mind isn't challenged, it waits. And that's where creativity sparks. Habit 4. You procrastinate. You wait until the last minute. Deadlines suddenly make you perform. You think it's a flaw. But many high IQ people do this. Your brain waits for urgency. It doesn't wake for busy work. It wakes for what matters. Diamonds are formed under pressure. So are you. And there's one habit most people completely overlook. Habit 5. You feel things deeply. Small comments stick. Music hits harder. Failure hurts longer. You've been called too sensitive. But here's the secret. Depth of thought comes with depth of feeling. You don't just see things, you sense them. You notice patterns. You detect subtleties no one else sees. That awareness? It's a hallmark of intelligence. And the last habit will tie everything together. Habit 6. You never stop questioning. You ask why, and why again. You don't just accept information. You seek clarity. Even now, watching this, you're curious. And curiosity is one of the strongest signs of high IQ. Intelligence isn't about grades, or speed, or showing off knowledge. It's about depth, adaptability, and the courage to understand more. So the next time you feel behind, ask yourself, am I slow? Or am I building something deeper than others notice? Strong foundations are invisible at first, but when they rise higher than anything rushed. If this spoke to you, if it described you, don't ignore that. Because awareness, curiosity, and depth, that's intelligence. And now, it's your move. Are you going to keep doubting yourself, or embrace your high IQ habits and level up?